Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding pressure washing businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you want plus the city name, and then you go and you pick down below from the organic search results or up here in the organic map pack, or I should say the Google map pack. And this seems to be a pretty popular method amongst many people, as you'll notice that there are about 210 searches every single month for pressure washing in Birmingham. Now, obviously, that number is a lot higher when you factor in other searches such as pressure washers near me, pressure washing company, and a variety of other searches. But for the sake of time in this video, we're just going to focus on this one search term and the 210 searches it brings a month. But the idea is that we want to put our business at the forefront of all these searches so we can guarantee that at least 210 people every single month see our business first before looking at another competitor. However, in order to do that, we'll need to understand a few things first. So first off, let's talk about content, as content is king on Google, and take a look at one of your competitors' sites and see what they're doing as far as content goes, and compare that with your website. I have Extreme Cleans, and they rank on the first page organically for pressure washing in Birmingham, Alabama. And as we scroll through their website, you'll notice that they have a ton of content built out on this page. And obviously, this is working very favorable for them as they are receiving very favorable rankings from Google. So, like I said, we always want to be very contentful. But you notice that this content isn't just any content, it's filled with keywords and phrases, and that's going to help it remain relevant. So, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we are going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and even what our business name is. So this is ultimately going to help them put us in searches related to our business, such as pressure washing Birmingham, Alabama, or other related searches. So very important that we have a very contentful site, as well as industry specific keywords. So definitely something to look out for. But let's flip back to your website and see what you've been doing as far as content and keywords go. So here we are on your website, more specifically your power washing page, and obviously, you do have some content being worked out here, but we always want to go bigger and better than our competitors. So we are going to want to build this content out a little bit more. Normally, I recommend about 750 to 1,000 words on any given page. You can always feel free to go higher than that, or I should say more content than that. But not only do we want content, but we're also going to want keywords to fill in those phrases and really help us rank for those relative search terms, such as, like I said, pressure washing in Birmingham, Alabama. So definitely something to think about. And like I said, content and keywords are going to be king for us and lay the foundation. But I'd be lying to you if I said that that was all we need, because we're also going to need backlinks and citations for our website to really push us forward in those rankings. The way I like to look at it is that content and keywords are going to lay the foundation, while backlinks are really going to go in and help give us that big push. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure and analyze it a little bit further so you can understand what I'm talking about. So if you take a look here, you'll notice that we have Extreme Cleans again, and we're in Ahrefs, and you'll notice your competitors built out about 110 different backlinks to their website, and it's been able to generate them a little bit of power, but ultimately, it's only bringing in about 50 users a month and about $140 worth of traffic value. Now, we can always go much, much higher than that and really build this out to generate even more value, but this is just an idea of what your competitor's doing. And any of the traffic that they do have already, or I should say any of the value that they're creating, is a direct result of both their internal stuff, such as their content and keywords, as well as their external stuff, such as backlinking. So we really want to ask ourselves, what could an extra 50 users a month do for our website, as well as an extra $150 worth of traffic value? Let's take a look at your website and talk about your external backlink structure. So here we are on your website, and you'll notice that you have 872 backlinks built, which is really great because you're really outdoing your competitor in that facet, and it's really generating you some power here. But ultimately, it's not leading to conversion because you only have 17 users a month and about $87 worth of traffic value. And we want to really expand on those numbers if we want our website to act as the lead generation machine that it can. So definitely something to think about. We're gonna want to tie our internal structure with our external structure to create the best results possible in this case scenario. Because while you're outdoing your competitor on one end, you're really lacking on the other. So like I said, we want to mix the two of them to create the best results possible. But now I have one more thing in this video to talk about, and that is this Google Map Pack here. Now, this is very simple to get into. You just have to fill out your Google My Business form to 100% and verify via postcard. But to rank in this map pack, there's a variety of things that they look for. And one of the things that they look for are citations. Now, citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages. All those are different citations you can get for your business. and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So let's take a look at how many citations these companies has and determine how many you'll need to really go in and start outranking them. So here we are in a tool I use called White Spark, and you'll see your competition here. We have spotless pressure washing with 18 citations, Southern pressure washing with 16, and extreme cleans with 34. Now, we're going to want to double the biggest number in here because we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. So we're going to need 68 citations on top of the other things we talked about in this video. And if you do all those, you should start to see some real positive movement for your business and be able to generate some leads that turn into revenue month over month. Now that's all I have for you in this video. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and I'll leave you with the question, what can an extra 200 users a month do for your business, as well as an extra $500 worth of value? So definitely something to think about. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman. I hope this video is very educational. Thank you for watching.